Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's video I'll be discussing about Solana. So let's go to the chart and let's see where the next move probably be. Okay, so I'm on Solana chart here, so let's go to the chart and on a weekly time frame on crypto exchange. So what I figured out here is that we had a breakout recently. Okay, we had a breakout in this trend line that I driven here, this blue color. There's a trend line, right? So what the market has done, it has broke in daily time frame, it has made the retest and then gone for a aggressive selling pressure. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame as well. So the horizontal lines that I driven here is are the key points of the market. Okay, you can see that the blue color trend line, okay, it has been broken and made a retest here. You can see the retest here, right? See the retest. So and then we had aggressive move, and then we had another retest for the, we had this key point right here, we had another retest to this 175 price level, because that's a very big key level in the chart. If you zoom out to the weekly chart, you can see the price has so many times breakout and mitigated in that place. You can see that in the line chart it can be clearly seen here. We have the first breakout, I mean it's a rejection here, and then a breakout, and we have a retest, and we have a downside breakout, and all the way up we have another breakout, and we have some rejections here, and we have a breakout here. So that's why I consider this price range as a level of a good level of interest. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart, and you can see that at the same time, after the blue color trend line, okay, this slanted trend line has been broken, it has made its retest, and the second time it has made the retest to the 175 key level. Now it's in a, now the current market price is struggling to break this another key level of the market. So you can zoom out in the weekly chart as well. So I'll show you why the reasons that I marked here. So you can see that after a breakout it has made a retest here. So okay, this is the first time. The second time it has made a breakout and made a retest, and the third time, and the price continues to mitigate and break out and reject from this price. So that's it, I consider this level as a key level. So, and there are some other key levels that I driven here in the daily. Okay, so these are the main key levels that I driven here. And also if you go for the weekly chart, you can see there's a very big trend line here. It's a slanted trend line. You can see that you see we have this first starting of the trend line, retest, and then it's coming for a retest. So if this trend line manages to hold this price above this purple color trend line, the standard one, the price could go even higher. Okay, because see the pressure after the market has bounced from the trend line. So if you see any breakout, to the downside, then the market could lead to this $56, okay, per coin, $56 per coin, because these two areas are in a daily key levels. Okay, this $100 and this $90, these are key levels in the daily time frame, but there's no any time frame that is that has key level on these levels. Okay, you won't see any key levels. There's a very big gap here. The only thing that is holding is this 1 hour trend line that I driven here. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, it's an hourly trend line here. Okay, you can just call it as, it's an hourly trend line. See the price has multiple times it has mitigated. You see is a but this is a rejection and breakout here, at the same time breakout and a rejection, and we have this again breakout and another breakout. See, so much of price mitigations here. So that's it, I consider this as a second key levels after the daily time frame, because there's no any there are no any price on this level. Okay, there are so much of liquidities that is under this level. You can see the liquidities here. So let's go to the higher time frame and let's continue our analysis. So this is our liquidity point. If the price manages to hold above this green color trend line here, that's over here, if the price manages, the price to go down is more than 68%, there's a chance for the price to go for $56. Okay, so if the price hold this place, this green color trend line, so we can expect the price to climb up. And again we should check this key level. If this key level holds the price below the trend line, then we can look for short. Okay, the market is going for a short. So if the key level 175 key level is broken to the upside and had so much of rejection, then we are expecting market to go even higher. So the still BTC is on the bearish side, so these coins also, these are all coins, so these also are on bearish side. Okay, I have given update on BTC and XRP as well. You can go and check it in our YouTube channel. So the chances for the upside is very low. Okay, it can be a small pullback, but it's not necessary. Okay, the most movement is expected to the downside if the market made a very big a breakout and a rejection, and we will go for another breakout of the weekly trend line. Okay, we'll go for another trend line breakout which is weekly. The first breakout in the week in the daily trend line, the horizontal trend line, and next we go for a weekly trend line breakout. This is the first, this is the second. Okay, I'll just put the 36 and okay, the two scenarios are that the price can go higher if the price hold this green color trend line. Okay, another thing is if the price breaks down and go making low lows, then the price can even go for. So these are the key points that I'm just informing you to watch. Okay, so after the weekly is broken, just if you are in a trade, just look for the key levels and just go for down. Okay, this is what my scenario in the Solana market, because it's overbought in this range. So we can expect another more little bit downward movement side. Okay, we can expect a little bit down movement. So mark out these key points that I mentioned here. So if you're struggling with this market, I hope this video will be useful for you. So if you find useful, please support us, and I'll come up with another crypto market update, and that's it for the video. Goodbye guys.